Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorials. In this video, we are going to add menu item as well as we will handle the MenuItem event. If you see here, there is a tools menu, and to this tools menu, we added two menu items. One is gear and another one is spanner. And for the first menu item, we displayed the icon also along with the menu caption. And when you click the spanner, message box will be displayed. So this is the message box title or message type. This is the icon, and this one is the actual message. And here, if you see, the message states menu item clicked, and clicked item is a spanner. Alright, that's what we are going to do here. Let's proceed. So in the previous video, we added 3 menu to the menu bar. Now we will add menu items as well as we will see how to handle the event. So here, if you see, the instance what we are creating is the menu item, and here we are giving the caption spanner. Then here we are creating one more menu item, caption is gear, and here we are constructing the icon. So constructing the icon we saw many times, and if you see here, it is image view. To create image view, we create a image, and for the image, from the resource we are passing the PNG file. So this will give the stream, and from this stream we are constructing the image, and from the image we are constructing the image view, and we are giving that as a second parameter for the menu item. Now this second menu item what we are creating contains a caption as well as the icon. So inside our package itself, we can add the image gear.png, and if you see, this is where our code file will run, and inside that we create one more folder called images, and we place gear.png inside that images. So here, if you see, we are referencing that images relative path images inside that gear.png. So get class, get resource as stream, and this requires, because this piece of code, let's state X, this is running from this package. Inside this package there will be some class that we will create, and from here we want to refer this. Why? Because we placed the image file inside this to organize it. We can place all our image also in this resource package. So that's why here we are using images, then inside that gear. If you place gear.png directly inside this package, then we no need to specify images. Alright, so now we have two items, and here what we are doing, menu tools, this is menu, right? This menu tools was already added to the menu bar, and menu bar was housed with the VBox, and VBox is placed inside, the VBox was placed inside the stage. Alright, we have menu get items. This will give observable list, and we are directly making call to add all. So the menu tool menu get items gives observable list of menu items, add all, and we are adding the menu item gear spanner. Even though we created spanner first, here we added the gear first to the add all method. That means when user clicks the tools menu, it displays two menu items. The first item will be the gear, and the second item will be spanner, and gear will have an icon. Alright, next, if you see, we are creating a message alert msg equal to new alert, alert type information. So here we are creating a information message. The class is alert, so this is useful to display any message boxes through JavaFx. So alert is created, then to the alert we are making call to set content text. So the content text is what the actual message, and the message is menu item clicked item is spanner. So this alert type information is useful to display the icon when message is displayed. There are other type of alert type also. Here if you see, this is the information message, that's why the icon I is displayed. This is warning message, and if you see, the icon is displayed with a yellow mark, then error message. So just by changing the constant, you can display different type of message boxes. Next, so for this spanner menu, spanner menu item, we are handling the event just like button. Here we are making call to set an action, then action event EV, we are using the lambda expression, then MSG was already created, dot show. So whenever user clicks the specific menu item, this message box will get displayed. The message box will get displayed and message content is here. So since we set alert type as information, so this is the message that will get displayed. Alright, now we will go to the demo. Let's go to, okay, we already have gear. Maybe it was created as part of some of the previous example, I guess. Now we will make use of this gear. So as already explained, here we added the menu bar, right? Now we will add menu items to the menu. So menu item also coming from the same package, JavaFx scene control. So we used this technique a lot of time before. So menu items are ready. Next, we will display a message box. For that, we need to create a message type, JavaFx scene control alert. And as already told, you can see the other alert type, error, information, as well as a warning. Here we are going with information, right? Now we will build this. We will run it. And if you see, only for tools menu, here we created 3 menu and added it to the menu bar, right? So we picked only the menu tools, and to menu tools get items, we are adding these 2 menu items, gear as well as a spanner. Get items will retrieve you the observable list. Here if you see, previously we used get menus. This time we are making call to get items. This will give us menus, the menu item collection, observable list of menu item collection. And using the add all method, we are adding the gear as well as a spanner. And file, it does nothing. Help, it will do nothing. And when I hover my mouse, the pop-up will get displayed. So let me run this once again. If you see, now when I move the mouse cursor, menu pop-up won't display, but once you click it, you can simply move, automatically the pop-up will appear. So here we added it only for tools, right? But if there are menu items, just by moving the cursor, the pop-up will get displayed. So you no need to click each and every time. Alright, now we will handle the spanner's click event. So it's not a AWT action event, this is a JavaFx event action event. So it's a lambda expression based way of handling the event. We already learned all this when we learned about button event handling. There are two techniques, right? One is anonymous inner class way, and another one is a lambda expression based way of handling. And we are using the second technique here. So just like button control, the menu item will work. Now we will run this. And we will run the file. Here we handled the click event for spanner menu item, and at the same time we learned how to display message box in JavaFx. So this is the message box, and if you see, message title is somewhat bigger than the actual message. Here our message is smaller, so it looks like higher importance is given to this one. But JavaFX supports multi-line messaging. When your message content is big, then this portion will expand. All right. We'll just check how warning appears, then we will close it. So this is how warning looks. And also you can look at the title. The title now is warning. Previously it was message, right? Let's switch back to the original one. We will save this. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.